generative AI are basically large language models that are designed to predict and generate text that are human-like. So one popular example and well-known example is ChatGPT. So in this paper, we're trying to understand the short-term effects of generative AI on labor market outcomes. 2 years ago, there was the release of ChatGPT, which was sort of a big shock to the entire market, right? So there were articles, that discussed, on the one hand, these generative AI technologies, they could complement human workers and increase their productivity, whereas on the other hand, it could displace them entirely, leading to mass layoff and unemployment. It was probably too early for ChatGPT or large language models to replace or disrupt full-time jobs or full-time employees. But we thought that we might already be seeing some of the early effects on these sort of very flexible spot markets, namely the freelancing markets where contract renegotiation happens all the time. What we find is that generative AI is already sort of disrupting these freelancing labor markets, especially for freelancers in writing and design-related jobs. Being of high quality or high skill doesn't really shield freelancers from these negative effects of generative AI. So you should think about generative AI as having a quite pervasive effects that spans across different skill levels. Freelancers, they see a drop in their number of monthly jobs as well as their monthly earnings as a result of the introduction of ChatGPT. Employers and firms, they should be aware that generative AI is not just automating simple tasks, but rather it's sort of disrupting jobs that were once considered very creative or immune to these technologies. So this is the basic understanding that they should have. Firms, they should be embracing these technologies, and they should be investing and making complementary changes to bring out the full potential of generative AI.